It's not going to enrich, accept you as you let it go. To move, just stretch your leg, move your whole body.
You.
Probably though.
Shaming you. Two Girls One Ghost podcast at gmail.com. We are,
but then, occasional kitchen sink
the next 12 weeks.
Yeah. Memories.
Why'd you say it so flash that nobody else could see?
Yeah.
I've learned that my great grandmother was a medium and that encounter, and we never went back to that house again.
Yeah, good. Don't.
I felt a father's presence, and this man would.
I have one called St. Andrew's Spooky Student Flat. Turning off all the lights, running in the dark.
Yeah, that is a little bit more concerning
for your bottom floor. Although not as old as the neighboring building in town, it was generally creepy, but she wouldn't reply.
Creepy.
Yeah, that's very creepy.
But that makes me think that it's like a residual energy that's not interacting.
But like the glitch in timeline. And do I feel sad? And we all asked,
right? But the brush had been moved.
And be the voice of reason, the house, or my experience. Overall, they gave it an shot soon. Overall, there were happy times in that flat. So wandering up and down the stairs or whatever.
But it does sound like the
business taxes was all consuming.
With 4 floors in total, counting the ground floor. It was built, it was used as a men's dormitory up until World War II. When it was then converted for drill sergeants would take the